the before on our pathway. This is the day that I start doing the actual install. Alright, here we are at about 85% done. I have laid a whole bunch of screened gravel that I screened out of the dirt that I dug up. Dug out about another 2 to 3 inches down, screened it, put the rock in there, and here's what's left of the unscreened, and there's the screened. So we have this little section here, there. It is all tamped down. Got the drainage rock underneath it. So I'll be laying the flagstone, as you see here. And we'll see how far it goes. I got an entire pallet back there. It's all spread out throughout this old grow box. And we'll lay them down and then fill in the sides with pea gravel. You can see the pea gravel right there. That is where we're at with the front walkway. Alright, got the last set done there. So now it's all weed barriered. Alright, here are the flagstones all installed. They are stable for the most part. And I've started putting out the pea gravel. And this will go all around these flagstones. And that's how it will look. There's one bag. Let's hope we have enough for at least the front section here. Alright, it is like 94% done. We've got all of these installed, and the plan is to plant something like thyme, or probably not moss, but we'll see, in the pea gravel here, so that it's not just straight pea gravel, but it's actually ground covered. So here we are, leading out there, and we've got it to here. That's as far as the pea gravel stretched. But considering it's a total DIY project, I think it looks pretty good. At least someone driving by can't see that it's unfinished. Alright, got it all hosed off so the flagstones are nice and clean. Here's the wet appearance. Not much you can see in the shade there, but there we go. And I am done with this for today.